be taking your year second class. So our topic for today is Helical Spring around and square. So by the end of this class, you must be able to define and provide example of eclipse, pitch and lead. Discuss the application of the helical curves. Thirdly, construct helical spring round and square. Fourthly, construct helical square threads, including single start and multi-start. So a helical spring is also known as a coil spring, which is known like this. This is the picture shown. Is the mechanical device which is typically used to store energy and subsequently release into stock. Maintain a force between connecting surfaces. They are made of an elastic material into the shape of a helix, which returns to its natural length when loaded. A spring is defined as an elastic body whose function is to destroy when loaded and to recover its original shape when the load is removed. The helical springs are made up of wire coil in the form of a helix and are primarily intended for compressive or tensile load. The cross-sectional of the wire from which the spring is made may be circular, square or a rectangular. Helical compression springs have application to resist applied compression force or in the push mode. Store energy to provide the push. Different form of compression springs are produced. Moving on, helix is a space curve drawn by a point moving in helical motion about its axis. The distance between this point and the axis is called the radius of the helix. Helical motion is a resultant motion of a point which moves with two velocity. The first is circular and the other is axial. The axial distance which needs one complete circulation is called the pitch P. As you can see, this is the pitch. The helix can be drawn by dividing the circle and the pitch P of the helix. The helix can be drawn by dividing the circle and the pitch into the same number of parts as shown in the figure below. This is the right hand helix. You can see it's been divided into two equal parts. The term used in compression spring is the wire, the main, the free length, and this is the pitch. This is the pitch and this is the coil. Constructing of square section spring. Right hand cylindrical helix will be projected as a straight line. An angle between the helix and the line drawn parallel with the base is known as the helix angle. If the numbering in the plane view is taken in the clockwise direction from point 1, the projection in the front evaluation will given a left hand helix. The construction of an helix is shown applied to the right hand helical spring. In the figure, the spring of the square cross section and the four helicals are drawn from two outside corners and the two corners at the inside diameter. The pitch of the spring is divided into 12 equal parts to correspond with the 12 equal division of the circle in the end evaluation. Although only half of the circle needed be drawn, points are plotted as previously shown. As you can see, this is the construction of a square section spring, which is divided into 12 equal parts, and it is shown over here. So I have drawn one example over here. So first, what you will do? You will divide it into 12 equal parts. So put your compass over here and mark. And then to the bigger circle, point over here, mark. Put over here, mark. Mark. This will be your one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Same over here. Same over here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same over here, and the intercircle 11, 10, 9, 8. So first thing you will do, you will drag this thing up. So now what you will do, you will make a line over here and put your compass and divide into 12 equal parts. Take any length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Negative 1, so that you can gain the base. Now what we'll do, we'll drag this line across. Take the ruler and make it parallel to the line over there. So now where you get this point 2, mark. Point 2, mark. Then point 3, base point 3, mark. 3, 3. Mark. Again there 4, point 4 here. 5, 5 here. 5, 5. 0.6, 6.7, 0.8, 8.9, this 0.9 here, 10 here, 11 here, another 11 here, and 12. So you mark. Same thing. After that, you take this distance over here and put it on point 1, mark, mark. Put it on point another one, mark, 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 and mark. Then you join the line. This is your constructing a square sectional spring, which is something like this. So in the next class we'll move on to the more detail, which will be something like this. Thank you for now.